Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. We talk a lot about the benefits that foods can bring to our health. But did you know that some food combinations can be extremely beneficial to our bodies? Combining the right foods can increase the nutrient usage by your body. This is what happens with the very famous pineapple and mint juice. Besides being delicious and refreshing, this combo is a great alternative to clean your body and facilitate digestion. Bromelain, found in pineapple, helps detox the liver, and mint is great for the digestive process. When two or more ingredients interact during the digestion and facilitate the absorption of all the nutrients, it is called food synergy. This way, our body receives wider and more complete benefits than when foods are ingested separately. And, besides that, they harmonize greatly, from a gastronomic point of view. Do you want to understand how it works? See some ideal food combinations. Beans plus kale plus orange, iron and vitamin C. The essential amino acids and iron of beans. And kale plus the vitamins of the orange, especially vitamin C, increase and potentialize the iron absorption by the body. Tomato plus avocado or olive oil, monounsaturated fats and lycopene. Because it has monounsaturated fats, the one that is good for the heart, avocado very efficiently carries the lycopene of tomatoes to the intestine, which facilitates the bioavailability of this nutrient. Lycopene can reduce the free radicals produced by sun exposure and pollution. Papaya plus flaxseed. This pairing is highly recommended to anyone who suffers from constipation. They help the good functioning of the intestines since papaya is rich in fiber, mineral salts, and beta-carotene, and flaxseed is a source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which increases the fecal matter and helps with intestinal transit. Are you enjoying the video so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps a lot our channel. Beans plus rice. This combination is very popular in South America. Rice and beans is a highly recommended pairing because what is lacking in one, can be found in the other. They make a dish rich in proteins, similar to a piece of meat, because of their essential amino acids. Carrot plus peas. Zinc, found in peas, beans, and lentils, is essential for the production of a protein responsible for converting beta-carotene, found in carrots, into vitamin A. Green tea plus lemon. This combination has gotten very popular thanks to its taste and freshness. Lemon has acidity, which is essential to potentialize the absorption of the catechins, antioxidant compounds found in green tea, which prevents premature aging and has an anti-cancer action. Tomato plus broccoli. Both are great to fight the growth of tumor cells. The lycopene found in tomatoes and the sulforaphane of broccoli are potent antioxidants, and are especially famous for the prevention of prostate cancer. Did you know that? Just as there are some positive interactions when we ingest certain nutrient combinations, there are also some pairings that don't help our body to absorb nutrients, as is the case with calcium and iron. So, did you enjoy knowing some food combinations that help your organism absorb nutrients? It is important to have a varied diet and, whenever possible, combine two food groups that complement each other in the same meal. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends to watch more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when we put out a new video.